Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Happy Friday the 31st of October is Halloween time, and to celebrate that, today's freebie is this one here. It's a collection of tags. Look how cute those tags are. so cute. Okay, you can download them. I'll show you everything in a minute. This page here, it's been designed taking inspiration from this month VIP Lounge paper. The VIP Lounge is a monthly subscription that I offer on my website, where every month you get tons of papers sent to your email address. It's all digitals that you can download and print immediately to help you create all projects for your well-being, crafty section and relaxation. So let me show you all the VIP Lounge papers for the month of October. Okay guys, so for the month of October, the main collection is called Captured in Autumn. It's a very large kit. It's got lots of backgrounds and ephemera. So you've got this page here full of like Polaroid and cameras. You've got some autumn leaves. I wanted to feel very autumnal, of course, ready for the season, but not too common with like sunflowers, etc, etc. You've got a page full of tags, and each tag has got some embellishment. So you've got a vintage light, lovely butterfly, another vintage lamp, another butterfly, and then two more butterflies there. So love. You get another background. You can do anything that you want with these. You get a page full of embellishments. So what I did, I create some doilies. I can keep the same colors because all my papers mix and match. Okay, so if you do large projects, they all blend together. So you've got these lovely heart doilies with butterflies. Then you get a page with a scallop envelope and a pillow box, because you know my kits are always complete kits. You get gift boxes, you've got ephemera, envelope, etc. You've got a page with 4 envelopes, so you just need to fold there and you create your traditional envelopes. And then I thought to give you a background with 4 different backgrounds. This is better, amazing if you do card making, because you can just simply cut that and that is your card base, and then we do some embellishment. And I got some bits and pieces that I bought specifically for this project, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, so but also you can use it like that if you do like a page, because you've got 2 different sections. It's completely up to you. Then you get a second kit. It's like a mini kit. Here there is, and it's called Spooky Tags. Okay, so you've got 2 pages. It's more for like Halloween. So you've got a witch, some potions, a lovely. Now this work great as tags, but also as a bookmark. So if you do craft fairs or anything, you can just simply cut maybe like on a purple cardstock or black cardstock and maybe like do some layering. And then a second page full of tags. So cute. I didn't overly decorate them because I want to give you something plain for you guys to maybe like put an initial for children. You know, if you do like a little sweets bags, it's completely up to you, but I think they're adorable. They're not your traditional Halloween colors, because I like the pink and the white, and of course you got your orange, but yeah. And then you also get a template gift box for you to make it up. So you get an assembly instruction page when I can see the front letter, the reverse letter, the back, and then all the little tabs to make it up. Okay, so you got them printed like that, and I'm gonna show you in just a second what it looks like when it's all done up. So you've got the front R and the back raw and all the tabs. And on this page I gave you some ephemera, so you've got some circles, some little embellishment, some page flags. So yeah, you get a little bits and pieces as well, because I had quite like half of the page for empty, like for free. So I thought, let's add some more. But yeah, this is what you need to make it, you know, all the letter up. Also, you get a private video, step by step, how to put the letter together. Okay, so it's very, very simple. Okay, and this is what the letter R looks like when it's all done up. And it stands perfectly straight. Okay, let me show you the entire complete alphabet. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N. Then I got letter O, P, Q, and R. Okay, the VIP members get this letter each month for free. But of course, you can purchase all the alphabet actually from letter A to the letter M on my website as well. But again, one of the perks for my VIP lounge is that you get those letters for free. Okay, guys, 2 ways to get these. Let me show you where. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group. And again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Please don't forget to join my VIP lounge. Literally £2 a month, less than the price of a coffee. You get everything that you need for your crafty session. Truly appreciate your love and support. Big thumbs up so YouTube get notified and say that how wonderful I am and how wonderful my videos are. No, in all honesty, it helps me create all the freebies for you. So big thumbs up. Guys, have a wonderful crafty spooky weekend, and I hope the kids get some fun. There's not much left to celebrate nowadays in the world, but let's try to have some fun, especially, you know, with the youngest generation, with the younger kids. Have a wonderful spooky Halloween, and until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah.